So to make some lovely cute hand bunnies, we're going to need some white paint, orange paint, pink paint, green paint, something to put the paint in, some paintbrushes, some googly eyes, a glue stick and a black pen. First we're going to paint white all over our 4 fingers and the palm of our hand. We're going to paint our thumb orange. Then we're going to put our hand on the paper and push down gently. And when we lift up, it should look like this. Then using the pink, we're going to paint in between the 2 fingers so it looks like bunny ears. Very good. Then using your finger, dip it in the pink paint and put it on the bunny's face where you think its nose is. Boop! Then we're going to grab a little brush for the green paint and we're going to paint some leaves on top of the carrot. Do you know where carrots come from? Now we're going to wait for the paint to dry and we'll go and wash our hands. Next, get 2 googly eyes, or if you don't have any eyes you can draw some on with the black pen. Now I'm going to glue my eyes on with the Pritt stick. Then you get the black pen and you draw a little cute smiley face on the bunny. You could draw whatever you like, some whiskers, some teeth, a tongue, a big smile. Well done, and thanks for watching. Happy Easter!